Sayyidina Hafiz Abul Abbas Ahmad Rahmatullahi Ta'ala said that I once went to the Ijtimai Ghosiyah of Sayyidina Ghawth Pak Rahmatullahi Ta'ala, that I was sitting there, and with me was Allama ibn Jawzi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala, and a Qari recited the Holy Quran. After the recitation, Sayyidina Ghawth Pak Rahmatullahi Ta'ala started the sermon and the Holy Quran was recited. Mentioning the commentary of one of the ayahs, he Rahmatullahi Ta'ala mentioned the meaning of one ayah. I asked this person, he said, I asked Allama ibn Jawzi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala, that, do you know about this commentary that he's mentioned? And he gave a positive reply. Afterwards, Sayyidina Ghawth Pak Rahmatullahi Ta'ala mentioned many other commentaries. And every time that the commentary was mentioned, this person would turn to Allama ibn Jawzi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala and ask him, do you know about this commentary? And after 11 commentaries, Allama ibn Jawzi Rahmatullahi continuously said, yes, I know about this commentary. Yes, I know about this commentary. But from the 12th commentary onwards, up to how many viewers of my channel, Ghawth Pak Rahmatullahi Ta'ala mentioned 40 different commentaries on that one ayat of the Quran. And every time this person, when he looked to Allama ibn Jawzi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala and asked him, are you aware of this commentary? He said, I'm not aware of this. I'm not aware of this. I'm not aware of this. Allahu Akbar. Viewers of Madani Channel, if I was to ask you, or even the scholars today, viewers of my channel, even if our scholars that we ask them of today's scholars to give me the commentary on a certain ayat in the Quran, how many of us would know them commentaries off by heart? I mean, nowadays we've got it easy, haven't we? We've got these iPads in front of us, yeah? We've got these PC tablets in front of us, and if anybody asks us a question, we've got books in front of us, we can look at the references, we can read out the references, we can read out the books. But this wasn't the case then, viewers of my channel. A lot of the knowledge was refrained to memory. They kept it retained in memory, viewers of my channel. Yes, they wrote things down. People did write things down, without doubt. But these people had this remarkable memory as well of remembering this. And just think about it, 40 commentaries on a certain ayat. Can we even mention, can we even name 40 commentaries, that commentators of the Quran, that people commentated on the Quran, 40 commentators? Very few of us will be able to do this. And so we see from this, viewers of my channel, that the status and rank of Ghawth Pak Rahmatullah and his knowledge can easily be judged, as he mentioned 40 commentaries of only one ayat, and at the same time 29 of these 40 commentaries were not even blessed. Even Allama ibn Jawzi Rahmatullah, who was a scholar of his time, a great scholar of his time, an imam of his time, he did not know about them 29 commentaries. And it is stated, Allama ibn Jawzi Rahmatullah, that he wrote many valuable Islamic books and other arts and sciences, in addition to the knowledge of Quran, Hadith, Fiqh, Geography and Medicine. It is said that the number of books is more than 300. Many of them consist of many volumes, and some booklets are also included inside them. Allahu Akbar. It is stated that Imam Ibn Jawzi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala was the Imam in the sermon of oration. He wrote best books on different arts and sciences. He would also teach, and also he was a Hafizul Hadith. Allahu Akbar. A Hafizul Hadith. Nowadays, because of the channel, we are aware of Hafizul Quran, that a person who learns the Quran off by heart, from Surah Fatiha to the end of Surah Nas, a person that learns that off by heart, he is called a Hafizul Quran. But a Hafizul Hadith, and Hafizul Hadith is a person who has memorized how many? 100,000 blessed hadiths. Not only 100,000 blessed hadiths, but with the references as well. So we're not talking about a person that didn't have knowledge. We're talking about a great personality, Allama ibn Jawzi Rahmatullah Ta'ala, and yet his knowledge when it came to the commentary of the Quran, and when Ghawth Pak Rahmatullah Ta'ala mentioned the commentaries, and he mentioned 40 different commentaries, then this person, this great personality, he only knew 11 of those commentaries, of the 40 commentaries that were mentioned from Ghawth Pak. And from this views of my channel, we can easily see the depth of the knowledge of Sayyidina Ghawth Pak Rahmatullah. Just think about how that knowledge was there, how he achieved that great knowledge.